After nearly decades since our first appearance in each other's lives, our stories finally united. You have captivated me from day one, and now that I'm about to marry you, I still find myself amazed by you every day. I'm so appreciative of all that you are to me. You are my home, my safe place, my person. Being with you feels like reconnecting with a lost piece of myself. I vow to be the best teammate I can be to you, and to be by your side as we figure out this life together. I love you more deeply than words can express, and I feel so incredibly grateful for the bond that we share, like it's always meant to be. I am yours completely and forever, and I'll spend every day of our lives together striving to be the best version of myself for you, for our family. I love you, Allison. Thank you for being mine and for sharing this day and this life with me. I'm so incredibly grateful for you, and I love you forever. Forever yours, David.
David, I remember early in our relationship, I sent you an article about the theory of 3 types of love. You, babe, are the third love, the unexpected love. The love that came out of nowhere but felt instantly right. The love that felt like coming home. You've embraced every part of who I am, and from the beginning, we've challenged each other to be and grow the best versions of ourselves. And I vow to make everyday moments the most memorable, because with you, even the ordinary feels magical. And above all else, I vow to always remember we are on the same team. No matter where life or what life throws at us, we have each other always. I can't wait to see what the next 100 years has in store for us, and to continue all of our ventures, growth, laughter, and love. David, I love you always, and I can't wait to spend forever with you.
I give you this ring as a symbol of my love.
I give you this ring as a symbol of my love.
With the pledge to love you today.
With the pledge to love you today.
Tomorrow, always, and forever.
Tomorrow, always, and forever.
David, I give you this ring as a symbol of my love.
David, I give you this ring as a symbol of my love.
With the pledge to love you today.
With the pledge to love you today.
Tomorrow, always, and forever.
Tomorrow, always, and forever.
By the authority vested in me by the great state of Colorado, I now pronounce you husband and wife. You may kiss your bride.
The love you two have for one another is just something special. I think we all love you guys so much. I can't wait to see what the future holds for you two. And I can't jump. So everyone, please raise their glasses. Here's to Allie and David, wishing you guys a long life of love, health, and happiness.
Watching 2 of your best friends fall in love is truly a special sight to see. I'm so genuinely happy that both of you were able to find your forever person with each other. I'm honored to be here next to the 2 of you as you begin the rest of your lives together, and I look forward to making more lifelong memories with the Karwaskis. Thank you.
And then to the happy couple, may your life be full of love, laughter, and this one's for you, Auntie Jane, little tiny tornadoes that might be heading your way soon, hopefully in the near future.
Allie, today you are the epitome of grace and happiness, and it's an honor to stand by your side. I wish you both a lifetime of happiness, love, and endless adventures. So let's raise our glass to Allie and David and toast to their bright future together.
Thank you so much. We really do appreciate it from the bottom of our hearts. This is like, y'all are our people, and we wouldn't want to experience this with anyone else. So thank you so much. That's what I want to say.
I'm going to be dedicating my bouquet to my mom. Obviously, everyone can tell how close me and my mom have been my whole entire life. She has been there for every single milestone, and I've done so much right now, and especially in the engagement era with my dad, and I feel like my mom hasn't gotten recognized enough. And again, I just appreciate all the help, all of the calls you've listened to me, all the support, the directions you give. I just love you so much, and I couldn't have done this without you. Thank you.